Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine and are enjoying our online sessions. Today in this session we are going to start with our grammar. But before we start with our grammar, let's quickly discuss question answers. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Why did Joe, Amy and Laurie go to the river? Answer. Joe, Amy and Laurie went to the river to check if the river was frozen. They wanted to skate on it. Number 2. Why was Laurie skating along the shore? Answer. Laurie was skating along the shore to check if the ice was thick enough to skate in or not. Number 3. What happened as Amy skated towards the center? Answer. As Amy skated towards the center, the thin ice broke with a crash and she fell down, which resulted in a splash of water. Number 4. How did Laurie and Joe pull Amy out? Answer. Laurie lied flat on the ice, holding Amy up with his hockey stick, while Joe dragged a rail from the fence. Together, they pulled Amy out. Number 5. How did they keep Amy warm before taking her back home? Answer. Laurie and Joe wrapped Amy up with their warm clothes and took off her skates to keep her warm before taking her back home. Number 6. How was Joe affected by the incident? Answer. Joe was shocked and panicked by the incident. She decided to never go ice skating again. Okay everyone, I hope you all have understood the answers well. So now let's read ahead. Learn words. Sound words. Read these sentences from the story. The thin ice broke with a crash and there was a splash of water. Crash, a sound made when something hard breaks. Splash, a sound heard when something falls into the water. The words crash and splash have the same sound as the things they describe. These are called sound words or onomatopoeic words. Onomatopoeia is when a word imitates, means copy the sound made by the object it refers to. Here are some more onomatopoeic words. Clash, clutter, honk, gulp, smack, whiz. Okay everyone, I hope you all have understood onomatopoeia well. So now let's read ahead. Now let's solve this exercise. Look at the pictures. Choose the correct sound words from the box and write them below the pictures. Now the words given in the box are: first, SLAM, slam, a sound when you shut a door, window or lid forcefully and loudly. Second, FIZZ, fizz, sound of bubbles of gas when you open a tin or bottle of a liquid. Third, HISS, hiss. Now that's the sound made by a snake. Fourth, HONK, honk. It's a noise made by a car horn. Fifth, VROOM, vroom, a sound of a vehicle or its engine. Sixth, RUSTLE, rustle, sound caused by the movement of dry leaves or paper. Okay everyone, now answer for the first one. Come on. Yes? Yes. Very good. Fizz. FIZZ, fizz. Sound of bubbles of gas when you open a tin or bottle of a liquid. Second, vroom, a sound of a vehicle or its engine. Third, rustle, 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 sound caused by the movement of dry leaves or paper. Fourth, honk, 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 it's a noise made by a car horn. Fifth, slam, 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 a sound when you shut a door, window or lid forcefully and loudly. Last, sixth one, guess, yes, hiss. Now that's the sound made by a snake. Very good. Okay everyone, I hope you all have understood this exercise well. Now let's read ahead. Present continuous tense, that is using ing form of action words, means when main verb or the action word is used with helping verbs am, is and are in the ing form, we say it is in the present continuous tense. We use am with I, is with singular and are with plural. I hope you all remember this well. So now let's read some examples. For example, Number 1. Naren is eating salad, said Naren's father, pointing at his son. Number 2. I am falling, cried Amy, when the ice broke. Number 3. We are reading comics, said the two children in the library. Let's read some more examples. Number 1. The old man walks slowly along the road. Now, how will you write the answer? Main verb walk plus helping verb is plus ing form is equal to is walking. So, answer will be the old man is walking slowly along the road. Number 2. The book lies in the corner. Now, how will you write the answer? Main verb lies plus helping verb is plus ing form is equal to is lying. So, answer will be the book is lying in the corner. Number 3. We all live on the earth. Now, how will you write the answer? Main verb live plus helping verb are plus ing form is equal to are living. So, answer will be we all are living on the earth. Now, let's solve this exercise. Rewrite these sentences using the present continuous form of the highlighted verbs. Number 1. The train waits at the station. Answer. The train is waiting at the station. So, the answer is waiting. Why is waiting? What is the main verb? Wait. And what is the helping verb? Is. Isn't it? Why is? Because we use is with singular, are with plural, am with I. Isn't it, children? So here we are talking about the train. So helping verb is plus main verb wait plus ing form. So answer is waiting. Isn't it, children? So it tells us that the action is still going on. Means the train is still at the station. Okay, everyone. I hope you all have understood this well. Okay. Now, next. Number 2. The clown tossed the balloons up in the air. Answer. The clown is tossing the balloons up in the air. The answer is tossing. Why? Helping verb is plus main verb toss plus ing form. So answer will be is tossing. Now third. Neetu and I play football on the school field. Answer. Neetu and I. Now remember, it is more than one person. So we will use are. Neetu and I are playing football on the school field. Now here the answer is are playing. Helping verb are plus main verb play plus ing form. So the answer will be are playing. Isn't it, children? Okay. I hope you all have understood it well. Now, fourth. The birds fly over the river. Answer the birds. So, it's more than one bird. So, we will use are flying over the river. The birds are flying over the river. Helping verb are plus main verb fly plus ing form. So answer will be are flying. Isn't it, children? Now, fifth. Varun reads the newspaper. Answer. Varun is reading the newspaper. Helping verb is plus main verb read plus ing form. So answer will be is reading. Isn't it? So that means Varun is still reading the newspaper. The action is still going on. Now, sixth. The baby sleeps in the cradle. Answer. The baby is sleeping in the cradle. Helping verb is plus main verb or action word sleep plus ing form. So, answer will be is sleeping. The baby is still sleeping in the cradle. Okay, everyone. I hope you all have understood this exercise well. So, we end our today's session over here. But I have a task for you all. Please complete the given task. Anjali is doing something in these pictures. Write one sentence about each of the pictures using a verb. Write using the ing form of the verb. I hope you all will enjoy doing this. Okay, children? Meet you all in the next session. Till then, bye everyone.